Now this is a Hot Point microwave oven. My very good friend Scott gave this to me, but I've been given another microwave which suits me more. So the microwave John and Teresa gave to me Tuesday, I am swapping for this microwave. This is a microwave oven. So if anyone would like a microwave oven free of charge, free like my mind, free like all of our minds should always be, all of our minds should always be free. That's what I think. And guess what? This microwave oven, this is free as well. If anyone would like it, please direct message me, Danny Sloggett, and then we can work out how you can have it for free. Thank you everybody for what you give to me to give to others. And this microwave works lovely. And if you would like one and you're a family in desperate need of a microwave oven, then let me know. I only want to help genuine people because there's not many of us. Shine on everybody. Free microwave to free your mind, to free each other, free for ourselves. Today is a free day. And if you want a free microwave oven, then it's even more free for you.